I got this super cute nutcracker. I wanted him last year and I didn't get it, but these, oh my gosh, I love these trees. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, I'm going to take you around my house and do a 2023 holiday home tour. I am super excited to show you because after I've decorated these areas, I've definitely added a few more things that you have not seen yet. So if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you on my channel. As I'm recording this video, I'm at 5 away from 600 subscribers, so that is super exciting. Working my way up onto 1,000. If you like homemaking videos, definitely subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on this video. It really helps my channel. So let's get started. So this is the door when you walk in. This is brand new. Just got it put together and I think it is oh so cute, and it actually looks really, really good. Matches the floor good, and I just love it. I knew I needed something on this wall, and so I think this is a perfect addition to the entryway. And then I've had that pillow. I was using it in my room, and then this I just repurposed it from the couch. And then this one actually has storage inside. So cute. Love it. This, I'm not gonna spend too much time over here because I've already shown you guys this area, so I know you have seen it. And if you saw my decorating video, my entryway decorating, then you definitely saw it. And I haven't gotten a mirror yet, but I have my eye on one in particular that I want. So definitely coming soon. Okay, you guys, and I think I'm gonna do a like 2024 plan with me video where I kind of go over like the different projects and such that I want to do in the house this next year. And so let me know what you guys think. So this right here I think is cute. It's just a plain like little white towel. And then I made, so this bow I got from Hobby Lobby, but the string came off and so I couldn't really do anything with it. And so I just used a gold bow that I just kind of tied it, and then I hot glued it to that. And I think it came out super cute. Okay, this bathroom, super simple, but I think it came together really cute. So I don't know, I don't think you guys have seen the mirrors yet. Last time I filmed, I don't think I've shown you guys that. So there you go, super cute. These are the same mirrors I have in all of the bathrooms. So yeah, and then I just added this cute little snowman over here. Oh my gosh, my kids are playing the Xbox, and they're so loud. Anyway, hot cocoa, come on in and warm up. Little snowman. This candle smells amazing. This is from Goose Creek Company, and it's called Caramel Maple Butter. I ordered some like winter scents, but they are like really backed up because they had a really good sale, and I guess everybody was buying them. So this I got from TJ Maxx, I believe, and it was only $9.99. Super cute soap dispenser. And then this, I think I got from Hobby Lobby last year, and I think Target Dollar Spot last year. So I definitely want to do some things in this bathroom next year. Not really top priority by any means, but I definitely want to do some things. Definitely like get a rug here. And then I would love to do some kind of accent wall, whether that be like board and batten or wallpaper or something. I think I am gonna add some shelving here. I need to actually get in contact with my builder though and figure out the color of the cabinet so that I can get a stain to match over there. And so this is just the banister, which again, I know you guys have seen this before when I put together my banister. So looks super cute. Like I said in that video, next year I'm definitely going to decorate this railing that leads to the basement. All right, now I think I'll do the living room last because I have something so cute over there that I kind of want to focus on. So I know that you guys have seen my kitchen. I didn't really do anything different, I don't think, from how I decorated it in my video. Besides adding this little cute thing that was from the Target dollar spot, and I just put some napkins in there. I don't know what else I could use that for, but it's cute. So and then over here I did add this cutting board. This was on clearance for $10 from TJ Maxx, I think. And then the little nutcracker there. This just a little candle. Some little tea towels. This I think is new. I changed it from what I had before. I ended up getting this one, and then I just added a little gold bow. I definitely need to get some new wooden utensils and stuff. I believe this is new cookbook stand. This is Hearth in Hand, and I think it was $20. I don't have a like winter Christmas like cookie cookbook, so this is like a pumpkin cookbook, but I just whatever. I opened it up to that, which is the pumpkin spice mini donuts, which I definitely need to make. And then you guys saw this wreath, which this is matches exactly my like mantle, like this little silver like sequin situation. And then just some more tea towels. I think the only thing I probably switched over here was just added this one. I had waited forever. I saw this, I got this from Hobby Lobby. Waited forever for this to actually, for Hobby Lobby to put their like mugs and aprons and all that stuff out. They took forever, and so it took me forever, but I was able to finally pick that up. The lighting is kind of harsh in here because it's super bright outside, but okay. So this is the hot cocoa bar, which I know you guys have seen. Not as cute as it was, obviously, because now it is pretty much empty. But, and my other little snowflake is missing. I don't know. But there you have it. Something else though that is new is my tablescape. So, oh, let me show you. So I put these gold bows, the same like gold bow that I had in the bathroom. I added it here. Okay, and then for my tablescape, I got, so this is almost the same. You know what, I don't think I showed you guys, but I did like a Thanksgiving tablescape. So it's almost kind of like that, except I do want to get some different plates for this, but this is like the actual plates that we actually eat off of. And so I didn't want to buy new plates right now for just for decoration. So anywho, yep, I got these like little placemats from Home Goods. I think they were $9.99 for a 6-pack. And then this was also from Home Goods. I think it was the same, $9.99 I think for a 6-pack. Don't quote me. I got this leaf kind of garland. It's super pretty and shimmery. It's like a champagne kind of gold. Home Goods again, it was actually $19.99 per garland. And these, oh my gosh, I love these trees. I got these trees were from TJ Maxx actually, and they are that Rachel Zoe line. If you guys watch my Christmas decor haul, you saw that I had not heard of Rachel Zoe until I picked up this tree over here, this one, and I fell in love. And yeah, so it plays off really nicely. And so I just got one big one and 2 small ones. This one I believe was $19.99 and these were $14.99 if I'm not mistaken. These were just a mixture of ornaments. These are actually glass. I got these from TJ Maxx too. But these are actually glass. I think it was a set of 4 for $7.99. And then these are Martha Stewart's line. And those were, don't quote me, I think it was $9.99 for a pack of however many is in there. Not paying attention. And then I also got this little deer, which I love because it's white, which obviously you guys know my color scheme kind of is, you know, gold, silver, white or whatnot, but it's probably hard to tell, but he is white and silver together. And so, can't remember how much he was. Maybe about 10 bucks. So maybe it's over here. Maybe you can tell a little bit of like silver kind of glitter off of there. And this one doesn't have a tag either. which I know I didn't take the tag off, so who knows? Don't know. But kind of give you an overview. So cute. Okay, so if you guys saw my living room decorate with me, I was telling you that I needed something to go over here to balance out, and so I found those things. As you can see, I got this super cute nutcracker. I wanted him last year and I didn't get it, but I had to get it this year, which at some point before next year, I'm going to paint him actually to match the white, silver, and the gold. And this part is already matching the hat, so I think that'd be perfect. Isn't he just so cute? Love it, love it. So he is 6 foot tall and he lights up. So, okay, and then this, I ended up getting this mirror here. This is like the Anthropologie dupe that is, I don't even know. I swear it's like probably 9 times the price of this one, but I'm saving up for it because I really do love the Anthropologie one. It is just so expensive, so I'm gonna save up for it, and then at that time when I do get it, I will probably put this one in my room. And so this garland is the same exact one that I have over here on the fireplace. And so I just added it. I just put a hook behind and kind of hooked it underneath, and then I just added these like gold berries and stuff, and just kind of draped it over the side. Side note, this dress is so cute. I bought it in 2 colors. I bought it in this green, and I bought it in like a blush kind of pink. And you guys, if you want the link, let me know. This dress, less than 20 bucks. Insanity. Less than $20. Like, literally cannot beat it. I was a little skeptical at first because I'm like, less than $20 for a dress. It was $18 and some change. So yes, you need to get this. Super comfortable. And as you can see, it definitely needs to be like steamed, but I didn't have time. So it is what it is. But it has like this little tie here, and then this part here, there's actually a button if you wanted it to be a little more risque, I guess, so you can unbutton it. But yeah, I think this is like perfect, and it would be great for all body types because it's super flowy. So, and it hits like right there. I didn't change anything like over here, so that's the same. Didn't fix anything. Yep, I didn't do anything different here. And then just the pillows, I probably changed them up a little bit, like rearrange them from this couch to this couch, but overall, this is probably the same as it was. And then just a little gingerbread over there. Guys, well, that's all I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys back here soon for more videos. Bye.